Please.
Shall I start? Okay. Uh, Good morning, everyone. And in this talk, I would like to talk about some of the important things about our field. So, I work with an electronics and electrical engineering department. So, we have got like we are like you might know about some of the importance of our department and the work, but basically I want to just tell about some few extra things or like an overview of our field, what kind of a work we does. So it's an interdisciplinary work, and we are in many of the daily life products, and also like we are the reason for making anything smart. So, based on my knowledge, I have been classified into several things, and I start from some like our field with subfield like computational things. As we see the gaming, that is also part of our electronic stuffs, and we have got like architecture, cloud, software computing, and graphics and networking. And very important is like a digital signal processing, say about a Marco has presented about this protein and this thing. So blocks are required to be having a different digital signal processing. Say about you are looking at some image processing and the camera to laptop and many other processor things. This is a digital signal processing. So where we are like for conveying a better information, say about we show a picture, so that conveys more information. That's why we require image processing, and is shooting the video that gives a lot of information. So we are having a video processing and the speech processing, say about like our voice, and is testing of the voice. So this includes a lot of algorithm and my human like say about like my frequency of voice, like up to like a 4 kilohertz, like the frequency, those things will be processed. So these are some of the computing field in our largest perspective. And we do have work with some control systems. We do have embedded system. Embedded systems are the things like apart from a major machines like this, say about your phone or like simple, this is also embedded system. Say this microphone and it's having a wireless community for that camera. So these kind of things are like embedded system, and we are included, we are a part of like a space satellites and defense system, and say about like warfare and industrial electromechanical things. And we do have some other fields. I mean, like you have seen like many devices in your home, like home appliances and application automatives, like you are like starting from, if you are looking nowadays a car and all, if the car, if it is stop, and if you are looking with like more prices you have to give for electronic some features inside the car. So it is not like it's, of course it's a mechanical device, but like we make the car smart, or like your whatever the devices we enter into that and we make the things simpler. And we do have robotics. If you are looking at the robots, like in future, like we will have a lot of robots in day-to-day life. And I work with a bit of medical things, so we are like coming up with a specialized microwave sensor for different disorder. In future, like you will have a lot of wearable devices, so that for your like say about inside your like body you have several organs, like we will be testing your organs health every day, every moment we will be monitoring. And apart from that, we do have some devices, say electronic device and materials. If you are looking with like adapters, amplifiers, about like if I'm talking, say you take a phone and you make some internet call or this thing, and a person is somewhere sitting from very far away from you, but still you are able to communicate. So these are the things like what we require, some of the radiations here, but you can look at some of the antennas, towers and all. We require a lot of radiations to be amplified, and not only for an external wireless, internal like say about like say my voice has to be much louder, means we'll take like a speaker and all, just having an amplifier. Those kind of things we work with it. And apart from that, like microwave means everybody think about just an oven, but like we are using that one for many applications, for not only like home appliances. We work with some like medical application and other things. So, and also we are into an analog and digital things. Actually, if you are looking with most of the time, like you think of digital things, but like there are many other analog things has to be made, because analog is a continuous things, like continuous with respect to time. So we always demand that like the digital, always we have to increase about the samples and we have to go forward. But analog, like it's a good application, and like still the analog applications are exist. And also we are into some of the radar and like say about defense sector and many other application, and optical communication, say about we are using a LAN cable, so there are where you can see the light, and also this is that.
Thank you.
Thank you.